So guys, let's unbox my Yesstyle. It just arrived. Yeah, let's unbox it. We have the sunscreen, the SFP 50++, PA++, and here we have the mini rice toner. Oh my god, so mini siya! Okay siya. Ang cute. And here we got the so this lip sleeping mask X flavor berry. Liit niya po siya. Like, can you see how small it is? Okay. Here we have the pimple mask. No, pimple match. No, pimple patch. Okay. Because I have a lot of pimples, as you can see. And here we have all my Centella. So I bought the serum Centella. I think this is the serum one. Bro, I got the original one. Cute niya. And sobrang laki is 100 ml yata to. Yes, 100 ml. And here the cleanser. So here we have the cleanser. Ooh. Cleanser. And here we have the oil cleanser. This one to 200 ml. And this one is 125 ml. So I can use it for 3 months, I guess, or more. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my skincare. My god! I forgot one thing that my favorite. I'm excited to use it. It's the Merry Maid mask. Okay, how can I open it? No, I think I'm gonna. Okay. I think I got it. No. Oh. I'm gonna use the clip and I'm gonna grab one if I can. And here I have the mask. But let's put it here because I'm gonna use it later. So this is it. Ah!
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it it's you, yeah. Boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this.
Ayaw niya talaga. Gising ka na? Let's go. Ready na siya, guys. Pew, 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 pew. So, this would be the second experience niya sa labas. At, yes, we are outside. Bro, that's not it. Loso. Loso. Just me and my son. Bonding. So I just used the oil cleanser and the foam cleanser. So now I'm gonna try this.
네가 만나자 했던 날이 그 시간이 흘렀나 너와 나 생각해봤어 무슨 일일까 아니 무슨 말을 할까 아니 무슨 옷을 입을까 그렇게 그늘이 왔어 너의 발을 맞추려 할 때마다 넌 밖에 걷는 걸 느껴 on my mind 말도 못한 채 네 옆에 서 있는 내가 널 안아볼 수 있다면 여기까지였던가 어딜 가도 될런가 애매하기만 하다 나의 손을 그어주던가 네가 나를 잡던가 잡힌 손을 주던가 오늘도 이렇게 너를 보낸다 너의 발을 맞추려 할 때마다 넌 빠르게 걷는 걸 느껴 on my mind 말도 못한 채 네 옆에 서 있는 내가 널 안아볼 수 있다면 여기까지였던가 여길 가도 돼
So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say is we reached 200 subscribe. Yay! Yay! And yeah, I'm so very happy. I just saw it like yesterday, and yeah, thank you very much for supporting me. And I never thought, like, really, I didn't know that there's a lot of people gonna watch it. It just like a hobby for me doing this stuff, because I like to film, to vlog, and of course to editing about my journey, my day, and just so I'm very thankful, and I hope you enjoyed this video too, and see you guys for my next video. Bye. Thank you all.